Alright, so if you watched my video the other day, I mentioned getting blacked out 5.0 emblems because these silver ones aren't very appealing to an all blacked out car, almost. So that is why I ordered these black 5.0 emblems, which are in this package right here, and I will show you guys the whole process of me putting these on. So yeah, should probably get into it right now. See right here, we got our 5.0 badges, which we will be putting on hopefully soon. Alright, so now that you have the emblems taped up around the edges, you're going to want to use a blow dryer or a heat gun. Heat gun is probably more preferable, but in this case I do not have a heat gun right now. So yeah, once you get it all taped up, you're going to want to heat up the edges to loosen the adhesive on the other side of the badge so that you can easily pull this badge off without damaging the paint on the other side. But yeah, I'll get to that and then I'll get back with you guys in a second. Alright, and the next thing you want to do is use some Goo Gone right here. Throw it on microfiber towel so it doesn't scratch the paint. You want to get all this extra adhesive off. Just keep scrubbing away at it. So now we're just going to use some soapy water just to clean off the surface. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to use is some isopropyl alcohol, and this will make it so that your badge will stick evenly to the surface and you won't have to worry about it, the adhesive not sticking to this piece right around here. So yeah, we'll get that done. So now we got the 5.0 badge right here. We're just gonna put it, line it up with the holes here. There you go. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just clean off the surface so that edge sticks good enough on there. Alright guys, so here is the final product. The 5.0 badges right here. Honestly, they turned out really good. Honestly, there's other parts I want to black out, like I want to smoke these taillights right here, and then obviously on the rear end, this silver GT badge right here needs to be blacked out. Or actually, I think I might just get like a flat black panel and get that done. So yeah, that stuff will be coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you guys want more content. Let me know what you guys want to see next on this car. I might be going on a drive tonight with some people that I know, and I might include this in the end of the video, but if not, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.